Hello, today you're going to learn how to find the missing number when you're working with equivalent fractions. In this example, we're starting with the fraction 4/6. We know that our denominator needs to be 18. How are we going to figure out what the numerator should be? I need to find the common multiplier. Since I know that 6 times 3 is 18, I'm going to use 3 as the common multiplier. I take 3 times 4 in my numerator, and that would give me the answer 12. Sometimes I know the numerator of an equivalent fraction and need to find the denominator. You're going to use the same process by finding a common multiplier. In this case, I know that 3 times 5 equals 15, so 5 is my common multiplier. I will use the 5 to find the denominator. 8 times 5 equals 40, so 40 is the denominator. 15/40 is equivalent to 3/8. In some cases, the numbers we're looking for in the equivalent fraction are actually smaller than the original. This is called simplification. We need to use division in order to find the equivalent fraction in this case. This time I need to find a common divisor. I know that 15 divided by 5 equals 3, so 5 will be the common divisor. I take the 10 in the numerator, divide it by 5, which equals 2. So 2 will be my numerator in my equivalent fraction. Again, sometimes we're given the numerator and need to find the denominator. We'll just use the same process by finding a common divisor. This time I'll start with the numerator. I know that 8 divided by 4 is 2, so I will use 4 as my common divisor. I'll look at the denominator, take 24 divided by 4, which equals 6. My equivalent fraction is now 2/6.